12th one. Describe the structure of a cardiac muscle. Structure of a cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is found in the myocardium of the heart of vertebrates. The cardiac muscle cells are short, cylindrical, mononucleate or binucleate cells. Whose ends branch and form junctions with other cardiac muscle cells. Each myocardial cell is joined to adjacent myocardial cells by electrical synapses or gap junctions. Cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle means cardiac muscle tissue is only found in the heart, is found in the myocardium of the heart, means myocardium form the thick middle layer of the heart. Inner layer is called endocardium and the outer layer is called pericardium of vertebrates. Vertebrates means vertebrates have bony or cartilaginous endoskeleton. The cardiac muscle cells are short. Short means when viewed through a microscope, cells are roughly rectangular. Cardiac muscle fibers are shorter than skeletal muscle fibers and usually contain only one nucleus, which is located in the central region of the cell. Cylindrical. Cylindrical means cardiac muscle is made up of specialized cells called cardiomyocytes shaped like a fibril. Mononucleate means having one cell, or binucleate cells means having two cells. Whose ends branch and form junctions with other cardiac muscle cells means cardiac muscle cells form a highly branched cellular network in the heart. They are connected end to end by intercalated discs and are organized into layers of myocardial tissue that are wrapped around the chambers of the heart. Each myocardial cell means vertebrate heart is two-chambered, one artery and one vein in fishes is joined to adjacent myocardial cells. Myocardial cells means cardiac muscles, also known as myocardium, are muscles that make up the wall of the heart. By electrical synapses means electrical synapses are found typically in cardiac muscle cells. The electrical signal is to contract spreads rapidly between heart muscle cells or gap junctions. Gap junctions means gap junctions are particularly important in cardiac muscle, and ions can pass through gap junctions, allowing the cells to contract in tandem. Gap junction allow direct communication between cells. Listen guys carefully. Structure of a cardiac muscle. Which muscle, cardiac muscle, is found in the which of the heart of vertebrates, myocardium of the heart of vertebrates? The cardiac muscle cells are what? Short, cylindrical, mononucleate, or which cells? Binucleate cells. Whose ends branch and form what junctions with other which muscle cells? Cardiac muscle cells. Each myocardial cell is joined to which myocardial cells? Adjacent myocardial cells. By which synapses? Electrical synapses. Or which junctions? Gap junctions. Cardiac muscle is found in the myocardium of the heart of vertebrates. The cardiac muscle cells are short, cylindrical, mononucleate or binucleate cells whose ends branch and form junctions with other cardiac muscle cells. Each myocardial cell is joined to adjacent myocardial cells by electrical synapses or gap junctions.